How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm going to show you a new feature that can pretty much save your life. Because today I'm going to show you how you can track your iPhone's location even if it's turned off. This is incredible, guys. So imagine you lost your iPhone, or maybe your iPhone got stolen and the person who stole it turned it off. Or maybe the battery just died, whatever. So you can track your iPhone's location even if it's completely turned off. This is absolutely amazing. So let me show you, because it's super easy, and I'm going to show you in action, not only how to enable the feature, but also how it really works and how you can track even if the phone is turned off. All right, so first things first, all you got to do is go to your settings, and then right there at the top on your Apple ID, you can tap there and then go to Find My. Right here, you go to Find My iPhone, tap there as well, and then make sure that not only Find My iPhone is turned on, but also Find My Network. And this is where the magic happens. As you can see here, participating in the Find My Network lets you locate this iPhone even when it's offline and after power off. And the way this works is actually very clever, because when this feature is on, it means that you're part of the Find My network, meaning that this iPhone will be able to connect to any other Apple device nearby via Bluetooth even when it's turned off. So even if you have no battery or the phone is just completely turned off, it'll be connected to any and all Apple devices nearby via this Bluetooth pulse, this Bluetooth weak signal, and then you'll get its connection through this network, through this connection with any and all Apple devices nearby. This is absolutely amazing. So as soon as you have this on, that's pretty much it as far as enabling it. And then every single time you go ahead and turn off the iPhone, you see this indication. So let's go ahead and turn off. So you see this little indication right here, iPhone findable after power off. So this means that this is working, this is connected. So do this on your iPhone. So turn this on, turn the feature on, and make sure that you see this indication right here, meaning that everything is working. And so let me show you in action that I can still find its location even when it's turned off. Let me show you. So let's turn it off. And then let me grab my other device and track it. So I'm gonna use my iPad right here to track my iPhone's location, but please keep in mind that you can use any device that you have laying around. Maybe another iPhone, maybe an iPad like I'm using, maybe a Mac, a PC. It doesn't matter. You can use any device, and you can even use a borrowed device if you want to. So if you're doing this on an iOS device, you're gonna use the Find My app. And if you're gonna do this on a Mac or a PC, you're gonna go to iCloud.com and then put your Apple ID and then go to Find My as well, right? So you can track on any device that you may have. So since I'm using an iPad, I'm gonna tap here on Find My, and as you can see, I have a list of all of my devices that are linked to my Apple ID, and they're all scattered through this map. And as you can also see, the devices that are currently turned on, the little displays inside them are also turned on. So this iPad, my iMac, which is right here, this Apple Watch, and then I have my iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is this guy, this iPhone, the iPhone that I have just turned off, that we're doing in this tutorial, we are using in this tutorial. So it's turned off, as you guys can see, and if I tap on it, you see that the display is turned off as well. It's black, meaning that the device is off. But even though it's off, I have a location. I have a location on the map pinpointed right here, and even a written down location right there. And there's the information that the location is now. So the location was updated now. So as you can see now, and it is like loading, even though the device is turned off. So it's showing us that it's actually working, guys. It's giving its location even though it's turned off. Absolutely incredible. And just to prove it to you that it really does work, I'm gonna give you another example. You can see this iPhone, which is an iPhone 8, and it is also turned off. As you guys can see, I'm pressing the home button, nothing turns on. And this iPhone doesn't have the feature turned on. It's not using the Find My network, okay? It doesn't have this feature turned on. And if we go ahead And if we look at this device on my device list, it'll be called Daniel's iPhone, this guy right here. And if we tap on it, as you can see, there's no location. So this phone doesn't have the feature turned on, and this will reflect right here on Find My. We don't see a location, we can't track it, it doesn't work. But on my 12 Pro Max, it does work. Even though it's turned off, it's giving us the location right now in real time. Absolutely incredible. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much what I wanted to tell you, what I wanted to show you and teach you. And I do recommend that you turn on this feature right now in order to take advantage of this awesome new security feature. All right, so if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button down below. Also, hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. And don't forget to hit the comment box down below. I always love to read your feedback. It's always super important to me, right? So that's pretty much it. And I'll see you in my next video as usual. Bye-bye.